Hello, I'm Ahsan Bashir, enrolled agent with Z Tax and Accounting. In today's video, we'll discuss IRS Form 2555 or 2555, Foreign Earned Income Exclusion, commonly referred to as FEIE. Many U.S. citizens living and working abroad are surprised to learn that they generally must continue filing U.S. tax returns even while residing in another country. Fortunately, certain taxpayers may qualify to exclude a certain portion of their foreign earned income from U.S. taxation through Form 2555. In this video, we'll discuss what Form 2555 is, who qualifies, the physical presence test, the bona fide residence test, what income may qualify, common mistakes. So let's get started. So what is Form 2555? Form 2555 is used to claim the Foreign Earned Income Exclusion. The exclusion allows qualifying taxpayers to exclude a portion of their foreign earned income from U.S. income tax. The exclusion amount is adjusted periodically for inflation, so taxpayers should always review the current IRS limits. Form 2555 is filed with your federal income tax return. So who may qualify? Generally, you must have foreign earned income, have a tax home in a foreign country, meet either the physical presence test or the bona fide residence test. Meeting these requirements is critical before claiming the exclusion. So what is a physical presence test? Under the physical presence test, a taxpayer generally must be physically present in one or more foreign countries for at least 330 full days during a consecutive 12-month period. The test focuses primarily on the number of days spent outside the United States. Many expatriates qualify using this method. The bona fide residence test. The bona fide residence test generally applies to taxpayers who establish genuine long-term residence in a foreign country. The IRS considers multiple factors, including length of stay, intent to remain abroad, local ties and community involvement, employment arrangements. This test often applies to taxpayers who have permanently relocated overseas. What income qualifies? The Foreign Earned Income Exclusion generally applies to salary, wages, professional fees, self-employment income earned while in a foreign country. However, certain types of income generally do not qualify, including pension income, investment income, interest income, dividend income, capital gains. These items remain subject to separate tax rules. The housing exclusion and deduction. In addition to the foreign earned income exclusion, certain taxpayers may also qualify for a foreign housing exclusion or foreign housing deduction. These provisions may help reduce taxable income when housing expenses exceed certain thresholds. The rules can be complex and vary depending on location and circumstances. Form 2555 versus Form 1116. One of the most common questions is, should I claim Form 2555 or Form 1116? Form 2555 excludes qualifying foreign earned income. Form 1116 claims a credit for foreign income taxes paid. In some situations, one approach may be more beneficial than the other. In other cases, taxpayers may use both provisions subject to applicable rules and limitations. Professional analysis is often important before making this decision. Common mistakes. Common errors include claiming the exclusion without meeting residency requirements, miscounting days for the physical presence test, excluding income that does not qualify, ignoring state tax considerations, failing to coordinate Form 2555 with Form 1116. These mistakes can create costly compliance problems. What if you missed prior year filings? Many expatriates discover years later that they should have been filing US returns while living abroad. The IRS offers various offshore compliance procedures that may help eligible taxpayers to become compliant. The appropriate solution depends on the taxpayer's specific facts and circumstances. Form 2555 can provide significant tax benefits for qualifying US citizens and residents living and working abroad. Understanding the eligibility requirements and filing rules is essential for proper tax compliance. If you need assistance with Form 2555, Form 1116, FBAR reporting, Form 8938, streamlined filing compliance procedures, or other international tax matters, contact Z Tax and Accounting. I'm Ahsan Bashir, enrolled agent. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and follow our channel for additional videos covering international tax reporting and offshore compliance.